He is everything, and he does not forget. Justice will come to the Holy Land.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, I hope you're all well. Today I came to the East London Masjid, which is one of my favorite places in London, and I had to stop here. I literally glanced across the road and I saw this, the Human Appeal shop, and they've got this pop-up shop which is selling all this amazing, lovely Palestinian merchandise, all support for the brothers and sisters in the land of Palestine. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala free the land of Palestine and bring them the land back and do justice to the oppressors. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. Let's go and check this shop out. Look, and this is who these guys are. This is the Fapas Clothing for Gaza and Freedom Through Solidarity. So do everything here from scarves to t-shirts to hats. Let's go check it out. Come. So first and foremost, we've got these amazing badges here, key rings. Inshallah, look at that. It's amazing. And like bags, they've got hats. Okay, and they've got these cute little rings. Inshallah. This is nice. I like that. That pins.
They've been calling, they've been asking for some help, but nobody seems to care.
Check this out. We will never give up on Palestine. MashaAllah. Peace and resilience. This one here, this lovely black and gold one over here. MashaAllah, check that out. The ones cute. MashaAllah. White ones like this. The ones like this. See these ones as well. Bank of Palestine.
Everything, and he does not forget. Justice will come to the Holy Land. Palestine, 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 you will be free. Ya Rabbi, we call you, oh please.
It's got the olive trees, mashallah. And this is called Zaytun, the land of Zaytun, mashallah. Oh look, that's nice, a Palestinian stamp. It's cool, right? Inshallah, I love this one. The key. Oh, I might actually get this one. And I have my dear brother here with me, right? He has told me so much about the shop today, the pop-up shop. Alhamdulillah. Akhi, tell us about your organization.
Basically, it's a project.
Right.
We started about a year ago for Palestine. The family decided we need to do something more than just give a donation. So we launched it on January the 20th at the demonstration. And now it's come up to a year. It's 100% profits are donated to different charities in UK, who then, donate, they have assets on the ground in Palestine. And inshallah, we've donated about 38,000. And we've launched another brand called Palestine United. Same purpose, 100% profits will be donated. And inshallah, for the supporters out there to come and support us, or go on our website www.fapas.com or www.palestineunited.com, and inshallah, support the cause, and inshallah one day Palestine will be free.
Inshallah. I mean, over the last few weeks, obviously there's been development in the land of Palestine, and a humble dua is, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala free the people of Palestine, give the land back to them, and set justice to the oppressors. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. So, like, you guys are based in Leicester, correct?
That's right, yes.
So what are you doing in London? Like, are you spreading the word in London? How would you want us to help?
When we initially came, we came with Islamic Relief, a few doors down. It's all about raising awareness through our designs. A lot of people don't know about like the watermelon or about the keys, so we do educate, and at the same time, a lot of brothers and sisters are supporting the cause. And inshallah, like I said, one day Palestine will be free.
What does the key symbol mean on the jumpers?
The key symbol is when it went back to the 1948 Nakba. the Palestinian families were thrown out their houses by the Zionists.
Right.
They kept the key, and inshallah they said that one day they'll return to their homes. That's what it resembles. The watermelon is another symbol of resistance, where Israel banned the Palestine flag, and they're using the watermelon as the flag. So there's a lot of awareness out there which people don't know, and so we are trying to educate them as best as we can, and at the same time we are learning as well.
Absolutely.
Of what's going on. But alhamdulillah, like I said, if you're in London, come and support the cause at Human Appeal, Whitechapel, opposite East London Mosque.
And you mentioned as well that you guys are going to be around like the setup in the month of February at the end, or what's the plans?
We're still working with Human Appeal. They're just working the dates out. So maybe the last 3-4 days before Ramadan starts.
Right.
And we're looking at the last 10 days of Ramadan.
Sure.
There should be a pop-up here. Also, we're looking at Birmingham. And we'll have a few in Leicester.
Right.
Also look out for our other event. We do events in Leicester, community events, which is called Jams Events, and we have a surprise there. It's first in the world, Kafia Palestine, bouncy castles, inflatable slide, football shootout, basketball and axe throw. Inshallah, I'll be coming very soon.
And have you got a date for that as yet?
The date we fixed is 22nd of February.
Right.
If you go on our Instagram, it's called Together for Palestine.
Together for Palestine.
And inshallah, we'll be launching these new inflatables at that event.
Inshallah.
So if you're free, please come to Leicester.
Yeah, we're probably going to hit the M1 or M40. You're from Leicester or Birmingham?
From Leicester.
Right. Okay. Right. We've got a few friends in Birmingham, so guys. Coventry as well, brother Ilyas, if you're watching this, make sure you pop along to these brothers, their setup, right? And honestly, it caught my eye. Like when I was walking past, I was literally about to go home, and I said, oh, wow, what's this? We have to go check it out. My son is a bit tired today, first day at madrasa in his new place, and he said, you know what, let's go and check it out. So we're gonna buy some stuff here, inshallah. And honestly, guys, right, this, from my personal point of view, this has really opened up my eyes. I learned a lot about history. It's actually made a lot of people closer to the deen, to see what the brothers and sisters are going through. We take everything for granted here, living in the privileged country, right? Running water, hot food, warm clothing, etc., right? Right now, you can see we're all wearing fleeces and jumpers. It's cold here. Can you imagine how cold it is in Palestine, right? I went to Medina thinking it's a hot country. I was absolutely frozen. So my dear brothers and sisters, right, as much as you can, support, make dua. That's the best thing, from the heart. Make dua every salah time. Make dua for the people in Palestine. Amin ya Rabbal Alameen. And support these brothers and sisters. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.
Palestine, 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 you will be free. Ya Rabbi, we call you. Oh, please set them free.